Hello, welcome back to my channel everybody, and today we'll be doing fried swai fish. Yes, you heard it right, fried swai fish. And here's what you're going to need. You're going to need Louisiana fish fry. And you're going to need a hot skillet with grease. That's all. And you may also need Tony Checker's Creole seasoning. Now I only use this on big pieces of fish, so today I'm not going to need it because it's a small, thin type fish. And guys, we'll be right back with the hot grease and the fish. Okay everybody, I'm back. I'm going to check to see if the grease hot, and it is ready to go. So let me show you what this swai fish looks like. It's a pretty good piece of meat. It's so pretty. That is some pretty darn good meat. And as you see, I still have it just a little bit wet. And I'm going to dip it into my Louisiana fish fry. Seasoned fish fry. Get it all up in them crevices. Wow. That grease is hot, y'all. Let's get this, put another piece in. I'm going to do about 2 more pieces in here. Nothing last minute, I gotta do some in a different type of fish seasoning. I'm going to show you guys what it is. 1 second. Looks like 2 pieces on. But here it is. Bass Pros Uncle Buck's fish batter, hot and spicy. For my husband, he likes hot stuff. But I'm gonna let that fry. I'm gonna let y'all watch it for a few seconds. Whenever I come back, I'm gonna show you the flip. So I'll be right back, y'all. Okay guys, I'm zooming in so you can see how it is floating just a tad bit. You see the small bubbles coming around those corners, so that means it's ready to be taken out. So I'm going to take it out so I can show you how crunchy it is. This is some good fish. And you see how after I take it out, and it's all crunchy. Now I'm going to show you the hot and spicy mix. It's like a little flour-like cornmeal batter. See how I coat it? Coat it all the way up until you can barely see the meat. I'm that's going to be all of the hot and spicy. Let me show you guys again. It's getting hot. There you go. That's all for the hot and spicy meat. Okay guys, as the rest of the fish gets done frying up, I want to show y'all how the hot and spicy battered fish looks. Crunchy. Yes, and you can tell the difference in between it. One is lighter and one is darker. These are hot and spicy. Always comes out darker than the other. That's what I want to show you guys, and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna cut this video kind of short today. I like it really go work. And the fish tasting so good right now. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that all notification bell, and please comment below any recipes that you would like for me to do. Thank you. Have a blessed day, y'all. Yes, that fish tastes so good. Woo, child, it was so good. But please hit the like and subscribe button. Comment below anything that you would like to know.